Hi, good evening. It's September 24th, 10 days sailing from Boston towards Key West. We're currently in New York City. There was a thing, the United Nations were meeting here, so we couldn't come through during the day, so we've come through at night. And the skyline's beautiful. The current's running strong. We just went through Hell Gate. We probably got 4 knots of push. Check it out, New York. We're still in a security zone, so there are New York police with blue flashing lights watching us come through. There's some there. I should probably stop recording. See you later.